Welcome, you're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate once again. And topic is that study through mobile phone is better or study through book is better. So, which medium of study is better? So, this team will speak in the favor of mobile, that study through mobile phone is better, and this team will speak in the favor of book, that study through is book better. So,
Hello everyone. I am Alishpa and today I am delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on the topic that is about learning through mobile phone versus learning through books. Which one is far better? Well, I personally believe so learning through books are far better than the mobile phone. How? I want to explain. First of all, I want to talk about YouTube teachers. As we all know that on the YouTube many teachers are teaching, and most of the teachers are saying that if you are watching my video, so after watching my video you don't need any kind of books. You don't need any kind of books, and supports you also. So you know that first of all I want to say that you know that first of all they are also watching, they are also reading through books, and that after that they are telling to us that what should I teach. First of all they are reading that I will have to teach this, means you know that totally they are reading through books first, and after that they are teaching on YouTube to students. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I am Alifsha and I am delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on the topic, which is about learning from books versus learning from mobile phones. Which one is better? So, I personally believe that learning from mobile phones is better than the learning from books. So, first of all, I would like to give answer to Safia Hashmi, as she told about Japan, that Japan comes on first rank in the terms of education system, and in Japan, oh, not Japan, Finland, sorry, it comes on first rank in the terms of education system. So after listening this thing, I should also talk about America. You know, American education system comes on second rank. Their students are allowed to bring mobile phones in schools and in colleges. So what do you think about it?
First is first, second is
Stand up.
second.
So means it has
Why are
also
you
ranked.
comparing first and second? First is first and second is second. We cannot compare.
So
that.
why America comes on second rank?
Because Finland has good education. That's why
Or
America
because
comes
of
on second.
Finland, America comes on second rank?
course.
Of course not.
Correct.
Okay, so if I talk about my point, so first of all, I would like to talk about, you know what happens when we go to school or when we study from books. So we have to study on the pace of our teachers, means on the speed of our teachers. If our teacher completes a chapter in 3 days, so we will have to study according to that. But what happens when we study through mobile phones? So we can study on our own pace. We will not get problems that I'm not able to understand this concept. And what happens that means Indian education system nowadays it's worse totally. So after means listening this thing that Indian education system is not working, our government is not working for Indian education system. So of course we should study through mobile phone, by which our India can be a developed country.
How? Means you know that what is happening, that in the mobile phone we are getting distraction. How? Means if we are watching a video through, means our teacher is teaching to us, so you know that at that time what will we see, that there we will see a reel. After that we will click on that. After that we will see.
But
Okay,
you know, a
listen to
studious
me.
student means the student who is studious, that will not focus on means notifications.
You know that every student is studious before a one day of paper.
No, it's not like that. Every student is not same. And you know what happens, that when we study through mobile phones, so there are thousands of the teachers by which we can understand so easily, and the teachers who make
Okay,
concept
I'm
fun.
agree with you that we can clear our doubts. Okay, and we can study through mobile phone. But I'm talking about here distraction. You know that always it happens with every student. I can't
Okay,
say.
what happens when we study through books? So we heard that our mother is scolding to our sister, our mother is scolding to our brother. So what about that
Okay.
distraction?
Okay, means if you are studying through mobile phone, so your mother will not call to you. Means your
But you know there are a lot of the technologies like there are earbuds by which you will not heard any. You will not means you will not heard
Okay.
any kind of.
I'm
distracting
starting my next
noise.
I'm starting my next reason that is about the uh, that is about the means eyes, about eyes. That is, first of all I want to say that okay, if you are saying that mobile phone is far better than the books, so you know that first of all I want to say that on the mobile phone notifications and messages comes, but you know that comes, you know comes, you know that on the books
Messages comes.
but you know that about books, but you know about books that on the in the books and all, you know that there any kind of notification doesn't come.
Okay, you know what happens when we study through books and after means learning a chapter or after reading a chapter, we do our questions or exercise of that chapter. So we get it always means we get doubts. So
You know
what
that
about
through
for
mobile
more
phone,
clearing the doubt,
through
we will have to study whole chapter again.
okay, means
But
you are
if you have
mentioning
mobile
about
phone-
doubts. Okay, you are mentioning about doubts, so you know that take a okay, Meta. I am talking about Meta. If you are searching on anything, any kind of data you are searching on Meta, so you know that if you are Meta AI, so you know that there you will ask if you are asking in the English. So you know that there you will find very means very standard English you will get. And if you are if you are not understanding that English, so you obviously you will
Okay,
you
if
will you will take answer. You will take answer in the Hindi, and you know that that Hindi means that Hindi will come very pure Hindi will come.
Why?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so you know, first of all, you did not understand that. What did I say? I said that you can get any kind of information quickly in a jiffy. You can get in new information.
That's why people are dependent on mobile phone. Dependent, okay.
Okay,
Now
if
I'm
you can
talking
get an answer in a jiffy, so why we need to read a chapter? Why we need to waste our 1 hour?
okay, now I'm speaking about eyes. I was speaking about eyes. So you know that if a student is studying through mobile phone whole day, he and she is taking her classes on the mobile phone 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. So you know that what will happen? That you know that what will happen? That at that time, with the passage of time, your eyes will become weak.
Okay, so first listen that as you talk about, as you told about doubts, you gave me answers. So you know what happens that when we get doubts, so if you don't believe on means artificial intelligence, so you can communicate or talk to knowledgeable or skilled person in a particular subject. There is no matter that where are you in the
Now,
world.
can you speak your next point?